Hi, I'm Lauren Karasek, and this is the last installment in my series on how to tweet for corporate and issue-based clients. This is how to gain influence and followers, so let's get to it. One of the easiest ways to gain followers is actually to follow people. It's a quick way to get people's attention, tell them that you're interested in them, and get them to look at your profile. It's like saying, hello, I'm here. So you might want to follow people who are interested in the same topic as you. So if we search social media, these are all the folks who are talking about social media. These are people that I might follow just so that they see that I'm also a person who's interested in social media and consider following me back. So that's way one. Way two, to sort of achieve the same thing, is to find someone like Mashable here, which is a very interesting social media oriented blog. Find someone who is addressing your topic and then follow their followers. So you can see that Mashable has over 2 million followers. If we go ahead and follow those people and they see that we talk about social media too, a certain percentage of those will follow us back. Now that's a heavy lift to do just by hand without some sort of software to help. So there's a lot of Twitter marketing software out there that can automatically follow folks like this. My personal favorite right here is TweetAdder. It's at tweetadder.com, and it's definitely something that you should check out. Another way to find folks who are interested in the same thing that you're interested in and to show them that you're there and that they should follow you is to join a conversation. A lot of conversations are going on under hashtags at any given time. For example, there's a very active agricultural community. So if we search #AgChat, these are what people are talking about within the agricultural community, and the people who use this hashtag usually read what's also going on the hashtag. So if you are someone who's interested in agriculture, using the #AgChat hashtag or responding to something in the #AgChat hashtag is a good way to tell that community that you're there and you're a new source of information that they should follow. Something else that you can do actually that's fairly new on Twitter is that they now have over here the trending topics. They now have promoted trending topics. So you can see that Conan O'Brien is a promoted person to follow. That's advertising that you can buy. They also, if you have an event coming up and you want to create a hashtag for that event, you can promote it right here. Again, that's all advertising that you can buy through Twitter. So definitely a paid placement opportunity for you to check out. You can also promote your own hashtag simply by placing it in your press releases, putting it on your website, those sorts of things that you would do to popularize literally anything that you do online. You can do that with a hashtag, and that can create a discussion and draw attention to your Twitter feed and your account. Beyond just creating a hashtag, another way that you can draw people in is to create actually a Twitter press conference or a Twitter Q&A. You can put your hashtag out there, have folks follow it, and then also have them ask you questions and respond there. There are some risks, and it's something that we're careful when we advise our clients on, but that is something that you can do with hashtags in order to be more engaged in the community, to gain influence, and to gain followers. Another thing that you can do, and we'll go back to the #AgChat example, is instead of simply engaging on the AgChat hashtag, you could actually speak directly to someone like Sparky Crows or Carrie Rinker. And what you would do is do an @reply, as we discussed in earlier sessions, and respond to them directly about the issues that they're raising on the hashtag. So if you can find someone who's interested in the same topic that you are, you have the opportunity to engage with them. Follow the golden rule. If someone is retweeting you, be sure to come back to them and retweet them. If you're replying to someone and they speak back to you, you want to make sure that you're replying to them. And a big thing on Twitter is what's called Follow Fridays. And it's also abbreviated #FF. And that's a time when you can call out people that you think are particularly good to follow. So if it were Friday, I might tweet to my followers that on Follow Friday, Mahalia is a very interesting person and that they should listen to. Remember, you get back what you put out. Also, as we talked about in our earlier session on best practices, remember to keep it short, keep it interesting, and be retweetable. People will follow you if they see that someone else has decided that your tweets are interesting. Always integrate, always draw people from your website to your social media.